the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go over how you would check your cylinder head for warpage. You're going to need a couple tools. One, you're going to need a precision straight edge and a set of feeler gauges. Now, the precision straight edge isn't a tool that people commonly have at home. It is a fairly expensive tool, runs for about $100 and up. Mine costs about $100. But I highly recommend that you guys do get this tool if you guys are doing engine rebuilds. The reason being is you can make the decision on whether your head needs to be sent out to the machine shop or not to get machined. Now, I know some people out there are adamant that if you pull the cylinder head out, you have to send it out to the machine shop and get it decked. Now, I disagree with that. The reason being is a machine shop will always machine your head, no matter what. There's no question about that. But there's only so much material on your cylinder head that you can remove before you actually have to start replacing the cylinder head. Now, having this tool allows you to make the decision on whether it's within spec, you don't have to machine it, or it's within tolerable ranges of machining, you could send it out to get machined, or the warpage is too great and you have to already replace it because you can't machine that much material off of the head. And this way you can determine whether you want to send it to the machine shop or even replace the head altogether. Now, another thing is when you receive your freshly decked head from the machine shop, it is also a good procedure or process to check for flatness on that head as well, because machine shops do make mistakes and sometimes your head may end up being warped from machining as well. Anyways, let's get started. But before we get started, I'm going to go over the specs of a non-VTEC B series with you. So if it is around 0.05 millimeters and under, which is about 0.002 of an inch and under, it does not need to be machined. If it is 0.05 to 0.2 millimeters or 0.002 to 0.008 of an inch, then you have to send it out to machine. However, the maximum machining tolerance, so like the maximum material you could take off, is 0.2 millimeters or 0.008 of an inch. And that's based off of a brand new cylinder head height of 132 millimeters. So let's get started. All right, guys, so how you would check with the precision straight edge is you will use the precision straight edge across like this, across like that, on top, on the bottom, side, and side. So you line everything up using the dowel pins around here. So these will be your basic square and just cross and cross and top, bottom, side, side. So we'll do a couple just together, show you guys what you'll be looking for when you do check this. So you place the precision straight edge across like this, set your feeler gauge to the maximum amount, then you just try to poke it through. It's not going through. So that is good within spec. Now you do that for the rest of the crisscross motion. So crisscross like this, and then top, bottom, and then side to side. And if it's all within spec, then your head is good. All right, guys, I'm done measuring my head and everything is within spec, which is good news because I don't have to send it out to the machine shop. Now, one pointer that I'm going to point out for you guys is that when using one of these precision straight edges, use it one way, then flip it around and measure it again. Now, the reason being is these things aren't milled to the exact 100% straight. There is a certain margin of error tolerance on them. So the cheaper precision straight edges have a higher tolerance, while the more expensive ones has a lower tolerance. So the more expensive ones are obviously more straight, but you just have to keep that in mind when you're measuring your head with these. Now, that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.